One of my friend kid came back from school and told his father that the other kids in their class, in their school, told him that they don't like him. And the boy was so downcast. And they also told him that he should leave that school and go away from that school, from that vicinity, and go to another place to school. These people are not from Sweden, but they are living in Sweden. They are living in a commune in Gothenburg. But this thing continues to happen, even though they go the same school, even though they eat the same food, even though they wear the same clothes. The problem is the genetic. So what I'm asking is, what is the difference in color? You work, you pay your tax, you pay everything that's supposed to be paid. You are not owing anybody. Whatever the government asks for the citizen to do, you contribute your own part. But this issue of color, this issue of racism, I think high time government have to implement their law, enforce their law to be effective. Because at the tender age, when a child from tender age, they begin to nurse this kind of hatred, this kind of racism in their mind as age as little as they are. What kind of information are they collecting from their parents? The parents have a lot of things to do, a lot of role to play. When we even mention of government are human beings like you and I. The president is human being, is a father to children. The prime minister is a father to children. The councillor, the mayor, the local government chairman, whatever capacity of government head that people hold, they have children. In the school, the teachers have children. The message we are passing to our kids, our children, is very vital in our life because the information we give them about other people is what they will carry on to grow. If we promote oneness, unity, and love among tribes, you begin to see that this issue of racism, color, will begin to diminish. And with time, the generation that is coming will outgrow it and that you will not see it any longer. In these 21st centuries, we are still hearing of this. In fact, this family was downcast. So I have to bring it. He was asking, what are they going to do? Are they going to pull the boy out from the school to another place? Or will they change to another country, or will they change to another commune, another state to locate? And I told them no. To my own understanding, whether you change or you didn't change, the place you are going, you do not know how it is. This thing is what you have to bring to the authority. First of all, you report it to the appropriate authorities in the school that this is what I call child bullying or what I call racism, attack on that child. First of all, you report. You have not made a report. The child just came back from school and reported the matter to you. So it have not reached for you to take that harsh decision immediately. Because in that school, the boy cannot tell me that he doesn't have friends. He must have friends and he must have other of his people that are also going to that school. What are they also passing through? But what I'm saying in a nutshell is that the school authorities have to look and take serious measure against anyone who is bullying or who is, applying racism ways or action against their own fellow brother or their own fellow sister, even though they are not of the same mother, they're not of the same color. But all of us are brothers and sisters. We are all humans. There's no other people different to other people. We are all one. So we should try to promote that message of love, peace, and unity.